Hello, my dear future doctors. So today I'm going to tell you how to crack 130 plus in physics in the last 60 days. So few people will feel like this is an exaggeration. Nobody can do it. Only toppers can do it. Definitely, I'm telling you, even if you're a below average student, even if you're starting your preparation now, you can do it. And why this kind of exaggeration, or let's say why this kind of statements are coming? It's only because they will start in the beginning. They will just start with the full energy in the first 3-4 days. After that, they will give up. They will feel like, okay, I'll just handle in the last 10 days, and I can do it in the last 1 month. I will start after few days. I will just go for some break. So that is why we are getting a lots of dropper kids. So now I don't want you people to be in that list. This year is meant for you, and this year you will crack NEET 2026, and definitely you are going to sit in the government medical college. So for that, physics is the most important part. And you know one thing, definitely if you're just focusing on for physics, if you're focusing on 130 plus, chemistry 140, as well as for this what is it, biology 330, then you are at the safe score. Okay, you will definitely get the seat in government medical college. So for 130 plus, don't think it is going to be easy. And I want you people have to spend at least 6 hours every day. There is no break, there is no cheat day, there is no holidays, nothing. The rest of the 60 days you will be spending 6 hours specifically only for physics. It is not something combined physics, chemistry, biology together. I will spend 6 hours. It is not like that. You will be spending 6 hours specifically for physics. Then definitely you can do it. Okay. And one more thing is like, every day you have to spend some 3 hours for the what is it, the concept, and 2 hours at least you have to spend for the pyqs, numericals and everything, and 1 hour you should spend for error analysis. And that is the promise which I want, because majority of the students will make a mistake that they will study, they will do the problems, they will do the rest of the whole thing, but the only missing factor is error analysis. Error analysis is the most important fact. You are solving a question and you're confident about the answer, but while checking the solution, it is something different. Okay. And people will by heart, or let's say try to digest the solution. You won't even think how and what is the mistake I have done and how to approach this question. And that is what I'm saying, error analysis. Okay. And you should know why my answer was wrong. Okay. I felt like this is correct, and why this becomes like this. You should get the answer, and that will give you a new concept, and then you are not going to forget it. So Adina, that is why I'm telling you, every day whenever you're doing even 10 questions, okay, you can do only 10 questions, but you have to be confident with the 10 questions. If you can only do 5 questions, fine, but in that 5 questions you have to be confident. And one thing is like, no one knows your weak zones. Okay, which are the weak topics, which are the weak chapters, nobody knows. So if I'm telling you a plan, I can give you a brief idea how to process. Okay, and how to give the time distribution, everything, that is just up to you. So you have to you have to make a proper plan for it. And in the 60 days, I'm going to segregate this into 4 phases. And in the first phase, we will be focusing on high weightage chapters. Okay, high weightage chapters only we will be focusing on in the first phase. So if you're just looking on modern physics, semiconductors together, you can expect some 8 to 9 questions. Okay, 8 to 9 questions from this modern physics and semiconductors. Okay, so for that, as I mentioned, in the first phase will be like 1 to 25 days. 1 to 25 days, first 25 days. In that first 25 days, you know how important is these chapters. So you can just spend 4 days for this chapter. Okay, you can just spend 4 days, and you will be covering the theory part every day. As I mentioned, we are spending 6 hours, and you are spending 3 hours for the theory, or let's say the concept part. Okay, and after that, you are spending 2 hours for the numericals, or let's say the pyqs or problem solving, and 1 hour for the error analysis. So let us, if I'm just going for modern physics, you may need 2 or 3 days depending upon how difficult it is for you. Okay, maybe you might have studied this chapter, you need only 1 day for the concept revision, fine. The rest of the time you can use it for the problem solving, and that will boost your confidence. Okay, pyqs is very important while you're solving while you're preparing for NEET 2026, because that you can expect more questions, or let's say you will be getting the pattern of the questions, and which will eventually give the confidence. Okay, So now if you're just checking on it, modern physics, semiconductor, electrostatic, current, electricity, units and dimension, kinematics and thermodynamics, these are all high weightage chapter, and you have to give the maximum time for this. And for covering all these chapters along with PYQ error analysis, we have 25 days, the first 25 days. So as I mentioned, according to the way how you are how difficult is each chapter for you, you can split the days and time for each of the cases. And next, phase 2. Phase 2 is nothing but, let me say, after finishing the phase 1, you are almost at 90 plus marks. Okay, you are almost at 90 plus marks. If you have studied properly, you will definitely get 90 plus. And in addition to that, you should get some 30-40 marks. Okay, to make into a safer zone, you can just go for these chapters. And while you are just dealing with rotational motion, fluid mechanics, you can just go for the PYQs. Okay, and you will get to know from these topics we are getting more questions. So practice on those questions. Instead of spending a lot of time on the concept, you can just work on the PYQs, which will give you the maximum score from these chapters. Because if you're just checking on rotation, you can see that every year we are not expecting question from rotation, but we have to. So for that, you can just work on the PYQs. That will give you the score. So next one is phase 1. As I mentioned, you will be spending 3 hours for concept, 2 hours for PYQs, and 1 hour for revision plus error analysis. That is what is important. And if you can revise the formula every day, that will be the best part, because you know that in every question, in every numerical, you will be introducing, or you have to do one equation there. And for that equation, if you are just putting, instead of a cube, if you are just putting square, the answer is wrong. Correct. So this is very important. Everyone should go through the formula. And don't think like, okay, formula revision and all, I don't have time. That is the major thing which will be giving you additional marks. Okay, if you're spending 1 hour every day for formula revision, that is not a big deal. Go for it. I'm telling you, during the exam time, you will say thanks to me, because formula is much important. Okay, so this is what the and after finishing phase 2, you can slowly start preparing for the test. Okay, first you can just go for the sectional test, then you can just go for the full syllabus covering test, which will be giving you time management skill. Also, it will give you accuracy, because definitely we need speed as well as accuracy. Okay, it is not nobody can just gain this in a single day. You should practice a full length test, and you should get to know, okay, how much time I'm spending for each question, and that will give you an idea about, or let's say that will boost your confidence, as well as it will reduce your silly mistakes. Because while you are approaching the question, definitely instead of incorrect statement, you are reading correct statement. And once you made the mistake before the exam, during the exam time, you will be conscious. And in one question, you forgot to convert the unit. Okay, now you made the mistake, but during the exam time, I'm telling you, you will remember, you will be conscious. So to get the consciousness, to become more focused, you have to do more question, and speed is important, and more than that, accuracy is important, because we have negative marking. So we have to be focused on accuracy plus speed. For that, you should go for the full length test in the as I mentioned here, you can just go for the sectional test, and in the last 15 days, you can go for the full length mock test, and that will give you more confidence. Time management is very important. Don't think like I can do all the questions in this time. It is not possible. Okay, formula revision is important. Every day you have to go for it, otherwise you will regret after the exam. Okay, formula revision is much important. You know all the concepts, everything, that is true. Okay, but we are substituting the values, the equation is wrong, everything gone. Okay, nobody is going to judge your concept clarity. If you have written the proper equation, if you have given the proper substitution, and you will be getting the score. Okay, and also understand your weak areas and work on that. And as I mentioned, if you're feeling like I can't do nothing with this chapter, fine, keep it away. After you're finishing this high weightage and this phase 1, phase 2 chapters, then you can just go for those chapters and work on the PYQs only. Okay, from which topic the questions are coming, and what is the type of questions. Practice, work on that. That will give you the good result. And next is these are the important topics that you have to focus on, the major high yield or high weightage chapters. So in modern physics, you can just see these many topics were very, very important. Logic gates, most of the years, if you're just checking on last 12 years question paper also, at least 9 to 10 times the question was asked. Okay, so now you understood how important that is, and you can just take the screenshot while you're studying these chapters. You're done with the concept revision, you're done with the PYQs, then you can again work on these topics that will give you more confidence. Okay, next, thermodynamics and thermal physics, and daily you have to spend 12 hours, and in that 6 hours is physics, and in 6 hours 3 hours you will be spending for numericals, and 2 hours for the PYQs practice, and also this 1 hour in the last 15 days. This question practice is very important. That is why I'm telling you, you have to spend the 6 hours completely for physics. There is no excuse, there is no such word as I mentioned, there is no cheat days, there is no break, there is nothing. It is just the 60 days, and I'm telling you, if you're working on the 60 days, that itself will give you the result. If you are just becoming lazy in the 60 days, you are going to regret. Maybe you will listen the same thing in the next year as well. Okay, and do spend time for the biology and chemistry. Biology is the most scoring subject, as you know. I mean, better than me, you guys know it. And for chemistry, as I mentioned, we are targeting for 140. So definitely you have to work really hard for that also. So 12 to 14 hours per day you have to spend for this NEET. Okay, and apart from all the mobile phones, everything, all the disturbance, you should keep away from all these things. Be alone, try to focus and study the 60 days. You are going to get 130 plus in physics, and also if you have a proper plan for chemistry and biology, you are going to get this 140 in chemistry, 330 in biology, and that is also not going to be a big deal. Again, I wanted to tell you one thing. If you're feeling like I'm a below average student, I'm an average student, I don't think like I can crack it. Many students, many average, below average students has cracked the NEET in the last 6 months. Okay, it's not an exaggerated thing. As I mentioned, if you're feeling it is exaggerated, you're giving up in every minute, every second, and that is why you are repeating it multiple times. Okay, this year is meant for you. This year is only for you. So focus on, you can work it. Thank you so much. All the very best.